Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to remove Tesla Model 3 backseat. Start by folding the seat backs and locating the two release tabs near the base. Pop the tabs outward and lift the lower cushion to free the clips. Then, remove the visible 10 mm bolts securing the seat frame and disconnect any wiring connectors gently. Keep track of bolts and clips in a small container for reassembly later. Begin at the front edge and pull both release tabs simultaneously to disengage the lower cushion clips. Lift the cushions straight up and out while keeping it level to avoid catching the upholstery on trim. If resistance occurs, check for hidden clips near the center and disengage them before forcing the cushion. Place the cushion on a padded surface to prevent damage and keep connectors visible for quick reinstallation later. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to keep these Tesla tips coming. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life with crisp sound and voice controls, perfect for playing how-to audio while you work on your car. It fits easily on a garage shelf and pairs with smart lights for hands-free setup. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. With the lower cushion removed, fold the seatbacks forward to expose the hinge bolts and wiring. Use a 10 mm socket to remove the bolts and support the backrest as you lift it off the hinge pins. Carefully disconnect any seatbelt pretensioner or occupancy sensor connectors, noting their orientation for reassembly. Lay the backrest flat on a padded surface to avoid scuffs and take photos of connector positions for an easier reinstall later.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.